How to rebuild your financial future after divorce. Hi, I'm Tim Blankenship with Divorce661.com. Divorce is not just an emotional transition, it's a major financial turning point. Whether you were the primary earner or relied on your spouse's income, starting over can feel overwhelming. The good news is, rebuilding your financial future after divorce is absolutely possible, and it starts with having a clear plan and the right support. The first step is to get a realistic picture of your current finances. That means taking inventory of your income, expenses, assets, and debts. You'll want to create a new budget that reflects your individual situation and helps you live within your means. This may involve adjusting your spending, reevaluating your savings goals, or planning how to pay down debt now that you're managing things on a single income. Next, focus on rebuilding your credit and reestablishing financial independence. If you shared credit cards, loans, or other joint accounts with your ex, it's important to close or separate those accounts where possible and begin building credit in your own name. Open a new account if needed, make small purchases, and pay them off on time. Over time, this will help you qualify for better interest rates, refinance if needed, and increase your financial flexibility. We recently helped a client who was unsure how to start over financially. She had limited credit history in her own name and felt stuck after relying on her spouse for most of their financial planning. We walked her through creating a step-by-step financial action plan, helped her open new accounts, and even connected her with resources to better understand credit, budgeting, and long-term planning. Within just a few months, she was back on her feet with a clear roadmap toward financial stability. At Divorce 661, we're not just here to file your paperwork. We're here to help you transition into a stronger, more secure future. We offer post-divorce financial checklists, tools for budgeting and credit rebuilding, and practical support to help you take control of your finances and feel confident in your next chapter. If you're feeling uncertain about your financial future after divorce, visit Divorce661.com to schedule a free consultation. We'll help you put together a practical plan, rebuild with confidence, and take control of your financial life, one step at a time.